In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Windsor AI with Sheets to track data. We're going to connect a Google Sheet to Windsor AI so you can easily analyze and track your data. Start by heading to Windsor AI's onboarding page. On the connectors screen, search for Google Sheets. When it appears, select the Google Sheets option to begin setting up the connection. Now switch over to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet you want to use. Click Share and copy the link. Make sure the link is accessible so Windsor AI can read it. Setting it to anyone with the link can view is usually the simplest way. Keep it view only for safety, and remember you can change or revoke access later if needed. Go back to Windsor AI and paste your Google Sheets link into the field provided. Windsor will extract the spreadsheet ID from that URL automatically. If you need to confirm, the spreadsheet ID is the long string of characters in the sheet's URL. Next, choose the specific sheet tab you want to connect. This is the name you see on the tab at the bottom of your Google Sheet. If your spreadsheet has multiple tabs, pick the one that contains the data you want to analyze. Click Add Account to let Windsor AI establish the connection to your sheet. When that's done, click Next to proceed to the configuration steps. Choose the date range you want to analyze. This should match the dates present in your sheet, so double-check that your date column is formatted consistently in your spreadsheet. Then, select your data source, which will be the Google Sheets connection you just added. From there, choose the fields you want to work with, things like date, campaign, channel, cost, clicks, or any columns you've set up. Selecting only what you need can speed up processing and keep your analysis focused. Finally, click Analyze to run the query and see your results in Windsor AI. If something looks off, revisit your sheet to confirm headers, formats, and access, then refresh in Windsor. That's it. You've connected Google Sheets to Windsor AI and are ready to track your data with confidence.